Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni per Millennium Espresso machine. This is from 1978 to 1984, so these machines were made between that period. So this is a beautiful machine, and we had to do a lot of work with it, starting with just giving the machine a tune-up, replacing the side glass gaskets, the gaskets from the piston, the gaskets from the steam one, and pretty much give it a good cleaning around it. We also had to replace the heating element and basically rewire the whole machine. We also had to replace, put a fuse, a thermal fuse in the machine as well, with a newer heating element as well. And we also replaced the vacuum release valve, the one that you see right here. Was actually leaking and not letting the machine to get up to full pressure the way it should be. So we're gonna do an espresso shot once the steam comes out through here, and then we're gonna show you with the work that we did underneath the machine once the machine is cooled off, because it gets really hot. So it's not really recommended to grab the machine while it's still operating. So we're just gonna let the machine run a little bit so it gets to full pressure, so we can actually do an espresso shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping, and that should be about what you would like to see. Just a little bit of steam coming out. That means that the machine is at full pressure. And just to show you, there you go, full pressure. So we're gonna do an espresso shot, and like I say, hopefully I pick up the right grind settings. A little too fast, so I definitely didn't pick the right grind settings of this machine. As you can see, it was way too fast, so the grind needed to be the coffee needed to be grind more finely instead of this. We barely got any crema, and it was just way too fast. So let's try to do it again. All right, so I put a little bit more coffee, and I tempered it a little bit extra hot, and grinded the coffee a little bit more finer to get that better crema. Hopefully this shot is much better than the first one that we actually did. The machine is still at working temperature, so we should be able to get a good extraction, hopefully, again. All right, this looks so much better. It's a little bit hard to do coffee with just one arm while holding a big tablet, but so far we got a good shot. Good crema, good water flow. Yeah, good. Alright, let me pause it just because I need to remove the portafilter so I can show you the grind side. Alright, so this is this was so much better compared to the first one. Still, I need to put a little bit more of, maybe more force while I tempered the shot. So, but it was still pretty good. And as you can see, the machine is still at great temperature and working perfectly fine, and there's no any leaks or anything around with the machine. And now I'm gonna decrease the pressure of the machine and show you the work that we did underneath it. Alright, welcome back, and this is the work that we did. We pretty much replaced a lot of the wiring of this machine. Basically all these are new, all these electronic connections. We had to, like I said, pretty much rewire the whole this new heating element to the other one, and we had to put thermal fuse inside the machine. And yeah, that's all the work we did to this machine. So basically, to summarize it, we did a tune-up, we realigned the base, and we replaced the heating element, rewire everything, and replace some of the electrical connections, and that's it. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.